Hello everyone, I just wanted you to get a sense of the 1st Judicial District. We're in the 1st Judicial District, that's Philadelphia, and we have our own separate court division, and this is their web page. And if you follow it, it's quite impressive in that the banner across the top, home, contact us, it'll give you the courts of the district and tell you what they're comprised of, and it spells out that there's a trial division, a family division, and a municipal court division. It's got information about jury service. There's all sorts of online services, and eventually you can search certain court records. This is a page that if you do litigation in the Philadelphia County area, you will spend a lot of time looking to. If you look down a little further, how do I get case information? That'll give you case information, tell you how to get case information on everything from adoption to traffic citations and almost everything in between, how to file one of those documents, how to make payments. A lot of times people involved with the court system will be involved with having to make payments or transfer funds, and this is a good place to go to look. They cover a section called Cases of Public Interest, and I'm not familiar with all of these, but I do know the one that's the third one down, Pennsylvania State University versus Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association. That's of interest because it involves, I think, in excess of $100 million. These are the insurance companies for Penn State University. And now, as you know, there are a lot of civil claims over a sexual abuse scandal that occurred there. And this is the litigation behind the litigation. This is who is going to have to pay for it. So I believe that the insurance companies are saying that Penn State had a duty to report this to them years before they did, and that accordingly they should pay it themselves. So that's going to involve a lot of money. But you'll find interesting stuff here. Recent opinions, court news, all kinds of stuff. And then if you shift to the right side of the page, interpreter services, always important. If you're going to court, you need to assure that there are interpreters. There's legal assistance, court locations. Court fees are very important because as paralegals, you're always going to be trying to determine what a court fee is. And basically just a great deal of information. I'll try and urge you to take a look at this. Make sure you have some vague familiarity with it. I'll ask you a couple questions so you can get some experience to look things up at on this site. But otherwise, that's about it. Thanks for looking, everybody.